and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
Today we're starting to work right away with cleaning your crosses and uncrosses to keep your feet position very clean.
Okay, let's start with the exercise side step. I'll cross back, and now this is an important moment. Point first, and then we go around with the foot and cross back again. We focus on pointing first, extending the leg before going outside, before going to the side. So we keep doing this. Another point is to keep the level. If you notice, we are not going up and down. Just crossing, keeping the level, very soft cross, and extension to uncross. Very good. A lot of points here.
One thing important is when we cross for both for leaders and for followers, do not change the distance with your partner. So it means that when we cross back, for example, in this case, we are both crossing back, for example, if I cross not completely, can you see that my foot is slightly back? This is not good. Then the next one, I will end up apart and more apart and more bye-bye. You know what I mean? So always try to keep your cross, your cruzada very tight and very clean, ankles together. Turn, 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 clean, June. Unless, of course, you really have the necessity to cross a little more open, so you would use it.
And you can use it to get closer, to get apart, or to the same place. For example, if I do the cross only, and I want to use it to get closer to the leader, I will do deeper cross. And if you notice, I'm getting closer. So because I'm deeper, moving my front foot a little bit up, I'm crossing deeper with the back leg, and then I'm getting closer to him. So I use that to transportation also.
That is a very good thing.
Very important is to point, because I see a lot of followers doing, for example, they do the cross. This is good. Sometimes they do this.
Yeah.
So it's not good. You can brush your foot with your heel, hurt your foot. So we have to exit and then cross in this case. So exit first. It could be a little higher or it could be on the floor. To do a little higher, use your hips to uncross. Sometimes when he does the lead, I will do the cross, go on top of my toes, extension first. It could be on the floor or a little higher. But he's up here to have the space to walk back or to cross again.
Later, stay tuned, because we are now in a second, we are going to do another figure. We are going to do a figure and check if, because it's a common figure, and check if you are doing this mistake. When you cross, if you see it from there, when you are uncrossing for leaders and for followers, if you are doing this. Can you see this position with my little toe closer to the floor? This is not good. We either extend the leg or either we'll lift, but we never
make it like lazy.
Make it lazy uncrossing. Yes. So
yeah.
So now let us try one more time. Try with us. We're going to do this side. We both cross with the leaders with the right, followers with the left, or with the wall if you are by yourself. Every time we cross back, do not sink. Yes. So don't show that you are transferring body weight. If somebody is looking at your torso, they should not be able to see where you're transferring body weight. Don't do this. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Yep.
Yeah, this is soft on the knees. So we are soft on the knees, but keeping the same level. It's also very important to lift your ribs. When you lift the ribs, you can move the legs anywhere, and it doesn't show. So yeah, on the moment I'm crossing back, I'm lifting the ribs, so I don't show moves. This is very simple move. You see, oh, that's so simple, I can do it. But then when you do it, you have to encounter these little problems and fix it. So it looks very smooth.
Yes, sorry. Let us show you the figure that we were talking about. Before we continue with the second part of this video, we would like to invite you to check out our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
This is an awesome online tango school where you can see a lot of videos, a lot of technique, a lot of topics, all you need.
You have the option to have downloadable videos or also watch all of them as part of our Tango membership.
Once again, the website is miriamleonardotango.com.
Now, let's continue with the second part. We're going to do just this simple figure. It's just a milonguero cross, 1 and cross. Here, check how you are uncrossing. And leaders, we're going to do this. Lapis, cross, and walking out.
So you have to be able to do the cross and cross, all the embellishment without being heavy on your partner, without showing this on the frame or up and down from the torso.
That is
Very
a challenge
level,
for today.
right?
Yes, that is correct. So let us show you from the other side.
the
Sorry.
other side.
So we go. Side step. Challenge for today. 1 and 2. Lifting leaders. Without altering your level, we change. Can you see that I'm changing body weight? And from here, yes, we can, at the end, you can lower a little extra to walk out into any figure or resolution.
Thanks for watching the video.
If you like what you saw and if you were following us, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you didn't so yet. That will be much appreciated.
We love being your tango teacher. See you on the next one.
Bye.